taking out the trash off-grid style. So we have lots of bears and raccoons and skunks and all kinds of fun stuff, which is great. We're in their space after all. Plus some of them are yummy. But what that does mean for us in terms of maintaining things without having garbage around everywhere is that we actually pay for curbside garbage service. The alternative is hanging on to your garbage until you have enough to make a dump run, which is not only expensive, but also pretty risky, because that garbage generally won't live inside. It's kind of stinky and gross, right? And wild animals, including bears, are wildly attracted to the odor of rotting garbage. So, again, we have curbside. You may have noticed we do not actually have a curb. So, once a week, we collect our garbage, our household garbage, a couple of bags, garbage and recycling, and we throw it in the back of the pickup. And we go down to the flat below the house, pick up the garbage cans. They live down there just because William works down there a lot on his trucks and stuff, and so he produces a lot of kind of garbage. And then we take it down to the highway, so you get to come along. Step one, put the critters away so they don't follow you down to the highway, because they will. Okay, you ready? In you go. Good girl. All right, I'm down at the flat. There's my target. I'm gonna park the pickup, go over, grab them, and throw them in the back. It's actually a Russian nesting dolls situation, so I'm gonna pick this one up, stick it in there, and then close the lid, shove it back, and close the tailgate. Stop the highway, which is about 3/4 of a mile down the hill. Home again. Now, of course, the other side of this equation is that we have to take the cans back home. So tomorrow, when he gets back from logging, he will throw the cans on the back of the log truck and take them back up to the flat. And then next week, we will rinse and repeat.